Hello, welcome back to BigJor's Affiliate Gist. In today's video, I will be showing you how to upgrade your streaming level, or how you can upgrade your streaming power to level 2. So before I show you how to upgrade your account, I will first of all let you know the importance of upgrading your account from level 1 to level 2. As you can see right here, you are seeing 4,700 naira daily. This simply means that if you compare to the previous level, which is the current level right now, the level 1, if you are on the level 1, you are going to earn just 900 naira daily. Everybody are earning 900 naira and not more than that. That's what you will be earning as a level 1 member. But if you upgrade your account to level 2 or tier 2, meaning that you will be able to earn not less than 4,700 naira daily. So this is the advantage or importance of upgrading your account from level 1 to level 2. And finally, before we dive into how to upgrade your account, if today is the first time that you are visiting our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, drop your comments on the comment section, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. After you log in into your Nuvia account like this, so after you log in, what you need to do is to head over and click on this 3 dash icon right here. If you click on the 3 dash icon, this menu is going to pop up. So all you need to do is to head over and click on listening power. So this is where you are going to upgrade your account. After you click on the listening power, you now scroll. So after this place open like this, just scroll to your right hand side. So after you scroll like this, you are going to see where they say purchase. Note, before you begin with this particular process, you make sure to buy your upgrade coin from the Nuvia agent or verified merchant. So after you might have gotten the coin, which I've already gotten mine and it's on my clipboard, then you can now went ahead and click on purchase. So after you click on purchase, and note that you have already purchased the code. So what you have to do now is just to click on token. You see where they write token? Yeah, this is where you need to click for you to upgrade your account. So after you click on token, you can now paste the code which you have gotten. I have already gotten my code, so you just paste your code right there. You click on this particular box, then you paste your code. So now I have entered my upgrade code. So the last thing I'm going to do now is to head over and click on proceed. So you just tap on the proceed button. You see my account has been upgraded successfully. If you want to confirm this, look at it here. When we started this video, this place was showing level 1, but as you can see right now, I am now on level 2. So let's go back here. If you want to confirm this thing, you see my level status is active. You can see that I'm now in level 2, and if you check my account very well, there is no other upgrade available. So I am good to go. So finally, my account has been upgraded successfully. All I need to do is just to go back, and now I am ready to spark. Now that my account has been upgraded to level 2, I will now be earning 4,700 naira every single day. Yes, that's what I will be earning. If you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.